Understand how AI art generators work. They thrive on direct and descriptive prompts, so specificity is key. Get specific about the kind of image you want. Clear instructions lead to better results. Define the subject matter. Specify the key focal point of the image for better precision. Pay attention to the details like color, shape, and size. Embrace the art style. Choose your desired art style to influence the final result. Reference specific creators or artistic influences to enhance your AI art prompt. Consider image composition. Incorporate lighting, layout, aspect ratio, and camera view for a compelling image. Now, let's turn your AI art into captivating video content with Pictory. Step 1. Select your images for the video. Step 2. Choose the perfect aspect ratio to fit your platform, whether it's YouTube or TikTok. Step 3. Let Pictory handle the heavy lifting. Add audio, text boxes, and other details to create your storyboard. Step 4. Save, preview, or generate your new video. Customize it to your liking. With Pictory, creating stunning AI art and turning it into dynamic video content has never been easier.